All teams, Sector
This
4.
entire action thriller, The Chase, the stunts, all of it came from one paragraph I typed into an AI. Seedance 2.5 just dropped on Pippit, and it's a total game changer for AI storytellers. Story Studio is Pippit's AI story workspace. It's built for short dramas, AI films, and multi-scene projects, and it runs on Seedance 2.5 behind the scenes. Instead of prompting one clip at a time, you describe the whole story once and it breaks it into episodes and scenes for you automatically. Inside Story Studio, you've got 3 tabs: Upload Script, AI Scriptwriter, and Canvas. We're using AI Scriptwriter. Here's exactly what I typed: one paragraph describing the whole story, the tone, and the structure I wanted. Create an original action thriller short story about a former protection specialist who discovers his business partner has been secretly funneling money to a smuggling ring and must break into their compound alone to stop a shipment before dawn, when the partner's own family becomes collateral. Make it tense, propulsive, and cinematic, with a protagonist driven by guilt rather than pure heroism. Structure it with a quiet opening revealing the betrayal, an escalating infiltration as he moves through the compound, a midpoint twist that raises the stakes, and a high-tension final confrontation. Style: gritty, urban, handheld camera energy, cold blue-toned lighting. That's it. No shot list, no scene-by-scene prompting, just the story. Below the prompt box, Style Library, where I picked a sleek, high-contrast action look, and there's a lot of style library you can choose. But I want to choose the suspense cinema style. Aspect ratio, I'm keeping it widescreen for that cinematic feel. In episode count, you can choose how many episodes to break the story into. I went with a short handful of episodes to keep this tight instead of dragging it out. One thing worth knowing: generation is credit-based, so check your balance before you commit to a big multi-episode project. Hit generate, and Story Studio breaks the story into scenes and episodes automatically, each one already scripted and ready to render. This is the production assets dashboard here. I can review all the characters in my project, including their looks and roles, before generating the clips. I can also check the scene's scripts, so I can make sure each character and scene matches the story before production. If I need to make changes, I can adjust the assets or scene details here without affecting the rest of the project. This is the canvas view, every scene from my one paragraph prompt, laid out in order. I can jump into any single scene and adjust it without touching the rest. Now we're in the episode section, where the story has been broken down into individual episodes. Each episode shows its title, characters, scenes, and clips, so I can quickly see how the entire story is organized. For example, let's open episode 1, The Warehouse Ambush. Here I can see all the scenes and clips that make up this episode. I can open any clip to review the generated result and see exactly how the scene was created. Inside the clip editor, I can adjust the character, location, and script used for the scene. If I'm not happy with the result, I can edit those details and regenerate the clip. In my case though, the results so far look pretty good, so I'm happy with the current version. I can also preview the individual clips from episode 1 to check how each shot looks before moving forward with the full episode.
You stay put.
This makes it easy to review and fine-tune the video one clip at a time.
I got you into this life, Marcus. I'll get them out. I'm on my way.
The AI Scriptwriter gets you 90% of the way there, but you can still direct individual moments. I want the camera to whip pan faster right as the vehicle clears the obstacle. I nudge the timing, regenerate just that piece, and the rest of the story stays untouched. That's the part that used to take hours of manual prompting. Since I've generated all 5 episodes, from episode 1 through episode 5, here's the finished piece from start to finish, all generated from that one script. No stunt team, no permits, no location scouting, just one story, told once.
Leo, they have them. They have Sarah and Maya.
Who has them? Talk to me, Marcus.
I don't know. They called, said I have until dawn. Leo, they're going to kill them. It's my fault, all my fault.
Location. Where did they tell you to go?
Warehouse 17, Sterling Port. But they said come alone, no cops. Leo, what do I do?
You do nothing. You stay put. I'm handling this.
Leo, no, you don't understand. These guys are not...
I got you into this life, Marcus. I'll get them out. I'm on my way.
Asset transfer container, North Pore. Ship departs 500.
Sarah, it's me. We're getting out of here. We have to go. Now. The ship leaves at dawn.
No, you don't understand. This isn't what you think it is.
I know what this is. We have to move.
It's Marcus! He wasn't supposed to send you. He knew. Leo, he knew about all this. They're coming. Karena's men, they're everywhere.
Back of the container, now!
Talk now. What did Marcus know?
Debt. Gambling debt. He owed them everything. He made a deal with her. With Katerina.
A deal for what? To give you up?
No, not us. The deal was you. He couldn't pay, so he offered her something else. A security expert. Someone to handle her logistics. The ambush at the warehouse, it wasn't to kill you, it was to test you, to deliver you.
He sold me.
He said you were the only one good enough. He said it was the only way to save us.
Leo, thank God. Did you get them? Are they safe?
They're safe from everyone but you.
What? What are you talking about? I had no choice, man. She was gonna kill us all.
So you served me up instead.
It was a business deal, Leo. She just wanted to hire you. I was gonna clear my debt. You were gonna get a payday. Everyone wins.
Mr. Leo, your partner has failed to deliver you on schedule. This complicates my logistics. All teams, Sector 4. Asset is non-compliant. The package is damaged. Switch to containment protocol.
Move!
He's in the maze. Lock down the perimeter. I want him boxed.
All teams, he's somewhere near the east stacks. He's with my family. Box him in, but do not, I repeat, do not shoot them. Copy that. We have visual on the east loading crane. He could be heading for the ship. No! Keep him away from the ship! He can't get near the ship!
Go. Take the road. Don't stop for anyone.
Leo, the fence, I see you. What are you doing? Get them out of there. Leo, what are you waiting for? Let the ship go! Just save them!
the main gate. When the sirens start, you run to them. Take everyone you can. Go.
All assets withdraw. The operation is a total loss.
You ruined it! I almost had it! We were almost free!
Writing every scene manually works, but it's slow, and keeping characters and tone consistent can be difficult. Story Studio's AI Scriptwriter takes one story idea and keeps the tone, pacing, and continuity consistent across every episode, making a multi-scene film much faster to create. And this entire film was created in Pippit's Story Studio with Seedance 2.5. The link is in my bio and pinned below. Pippit also gives you free daily credits, so you can try the AI Scriptwriter yourself. Let me know what genre I should create next.